Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on setting a device password on the Kindle Paperwhite. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Kindle homepage, tap the three dots button in the top right. Then tap Settings from the menu. In Settings, tap Device Options. Then tap Device Passcode. Enter your desired passcode, then enter it again to confirm it and tap OK. Your Kindle now has a password, which you will have to enter when you unlock it. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Kindle tips and tricks.